Hi everyone, Vaughn Marie here. Welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. Today we are introducing the new kitty chasing butterflies. There is this large size kitty here and two other butterflies that go with it, a small butterfly and a large butterfly. And the measurements for the kitty is 3 by 2 3/4 inches. The small butterfly is about 3/4 inches by 1/2 inch. The larger butterfly is 7/8 inches by 5/8 inches. And I will cut these out so you can see what they look like. And here is what they look like cut out with white cardstock. You can see it's a nice size. And here are the two butterflies. And here is my card using the new kitty chasing butterflies. I made a mini slimline card. Thank you for joining me today and have a wonderful day.